Hi friends and welcome back. The word that we are going to learn today is erudite. Its spell is Erudite. Erudite. So let's pronounce with me erudite. Erudite. You can say either erudite or erudite. It's erudite in British pronunciation and erudite in American pronunciation. The word is both noun and an adjective. The meaning of the word is having or showing profound knowledge or learning. That's an adjective. Or a learned or scholarly person, which is the noun. If you call someone erudite, that means they show great learning. After you have earned your second PhD, you will be truly erudite. Or if you bring someone out of a raw state, you educate them. So someone who is erudite is very educated indeed and perhaps a bit of a show-off. Erudite derives from Middle English erudite, from Latin eruditus, the past participle of the verb erudere, meaning to instruct. A closer look at that verb shows that it is formed by combining the prefix e, meaning missing or absent, with the adjective rudes, which means rude or ignorant, and is also the source of our word rude. We typically use the word rude to mean discourteous, but it can also mean lacking refinement or uncivilized. Someone who is erudite, therefore, has been transformed from a roughened or uninformed state to a polished and knowledgeable one through a devotion to learning. The Urdu meaning of the word is alim, fazil, ya almana, fazlana. Incidentally, the word possesses a list of synonyms. Some of them are educated, well-read, learned, lettered, and scholarly. However, the antonyms for the word are benighted, ignorant, unlearned, unlettered, and unscholarly. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. The first one we have is, she was erudite from childhood, good at writing and melody. The other example is, in a word, you are erudite and always open your eyes to new things. In both the sentences above, the word erudite is used as a noun. And the next two examples, we will see the usage of erudite as an adjective in a sentence. The first one is, these knowledge-filled stories are written and directed by erudite geniuses. And the second one is, she could turn any conversation into an erudite discussion. While the last example we have is, the real knowledgeable always know erudite information, and the person of knowing erudite always have knowledge. And the last sentence, the word erudite is used as adjective and as well as a noun. So that's all for today. Keep practicing the word and keep sharing your feedback with us in the comments below. And please don't forget to visit us on our FB page for finding the reading material of this video. So see you tomorrow with some more interesting vocab. Stay with us and have a blissful day.